Hey, do what you do when you want. Make 20 racks and I'm on.
Tryna braid my hair, first sake, I'm sitting like chaps. Yeah.
Tell me the ball, I run on the field like cause they tell me go long. Police by me, they smell marijuana, say fucking I'm smoking, they strong. So the bitch, what I'm about, no cap in my rap, she won't leave me alone.
Right here, you know what I'm saying, we're on 22nd Street, Virginia Beach.
She won't leave me alone. Hop in the SRT, don't let her play.
I catch you disease. I'm coming to head. It's standing on me, nigga. We just spent blue Bugatti.
YouTube, listen. It's your boy B-Bullet-RC back with yet another video. And listen, as y'all can see, we are out in beautiful Virginia Beach. Got the mural behind me. I mean, look at the shot. Look at the shot, all right? Now today, we got a raffle that we actually just hit, which is why I'm actually out here on the beach. I'm actually, I think like 18th, 19th Street out here. We got early heat, and be giving them joints away. Trust me, I'm gonna tell y'all know the whatnot. The link's down below, get the 15 off. First things first, let me let y'all know, new Paratrooper drop is live right now. Go ASAP, because we dropped the black Paratroopers. I was supposed to tell y'all and they sold out before I could even tell you. Mocha and Olive Paratroopers are live right now on sampleind.com. Y'all already know what it is. Fully adjustable fit, got the bungees at the knees, the zipper at the ankle so you can adjust them and make them kind of however you want them to fit. In my opinion, I will go true to size on these joints. That is what I do, and that way I can adjust everything and kind of make them look however I need to look, depending on the shoe, depending on the fit. And like I said, these joints have been selling out every time. So go ASAP, and I'm gonna let y'all know we did do something new. If y'all text SMPL to the number on the screen right now, that's gonna give y'all the SMS alerts, and that way y'all can really just stay in tune. Something new we're trying for 2025. We just doing some different stuff. And if this video drops and they're all sold out, I'll just say this, you might have a second chance on a black pair. Just be paying attention. And matter of fact, since we're here, listen, quick fit check, okay? Unreleased sample. This is actually a sample of the horsepower tee. If you like this tee, we actually dropped it in black. I got the brown Paratroopers on right now. Listen, go cop the Mocha Paratroopers, go cop a pair. They sold out every time. And you know, the shoes, again, y'all know, Chicago ones. And the Norfolk ties fitted. I mean, y'all know at this point, it's basically just, y'all know what I'm gonna be wearing. We are at the beach and we need to go pick up a raffle I literally just hit on today. I was not expecting to get the call. I was at the barbershop getting a cut. Yes, you know, kind of crispy. It's crispy lineup today, even though I just be throwing the hat wrap on the crispy lineup. But yes, we did hit on a raffle for some SBs and we got to head down the street. I have not been to the spot since the purple SB drop. It was kind of tragic because we were there. I was fourth in line. A worker came and told us that they weren't dropping the purple lobsters. Lo and behold, later I left and I found out that yes, they dropped the purple lobs and I could have been fourth in line and had my pair easy. It's okay. Listen, we live and we learn.
Every day I'm with a gang, if you're not the same, stay home. My niggas red bandana, my niggas blue bandana. Bad bitch like Miley Santana.
Push out of your bound and get burned. SVG, go crazy, no concern.
Like I said, listen, it's right down the street. We still at the beach and we're actually about to head in here real quick. Hopefully I don't get hit by copyright because of the music playing. But so like I said, I hit on the raffle, so we should be able to kind of just walk in, chill, ask for the size, and should be good to go. I just gotta find somebody that is working. Excuse me, I was coming for the raffle win.
Hey, what's going on?
What's going on, man? How you doing? Chilling.
Okay, what's going on?
Hey, nice to see you, man. Nice to see you. What's up? Oh, what's good? Yeah, I got you. Like I said, hit on the raffle. Okay, y'all see the box, blam, Nike SB all over purple SB box. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, maybe it's because I missed the first ones that I like these more, but I just like the color on these better, okay? Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, as y'all can see, size 12, my size. And I am gonna actually try these on. I don't know, y'all tell me, with SBs, like I usually wear my true size, but I feel like sometimes they be running just a little tight, but yes. And just so y'all can see it nice and in 4K in the store, yes, the Uto SBs are here, okay? Nike on the back, really good nubuck mixture of some, it's like a brush nubuck or brush suede right here, the green, the good hues, y'all see them, blam, yes. And slick little pink hit, because I know these come with actually some pink laces. So the Matcha Uto SBs, y'all see them, and slick, I do want to try these on. I mean, they should be good. I don't want to take too much time in the store, so let me head outside real quick and try them on. But I wanted to let y'all see them in hand in the store, and of course we're gonna talk more about them once we get back to the store. Okay, unbox all that good early heat and everything else we got. Now I don't know if I'm weird, but my left foot is bigger than my right foot, so we're gonna try on the left shoe real quick. Yeah, we gotta loosen these joints up. You know, they be in the chokehold from the factory, but we gotta listen. Loosen them up, hey, pause, and no diddy if needed. And slick, these the perfect pants to go with these. The green with that mocha brown, matcha with the mocha. Now I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this 12 is tight on the toe. or at least tight on the sides of my foot. The toe ain't really tight. They just feel a little narrow, but we gonna have to make it work. Here y'all go, Blam. Y'all see him on feet, you know, nothing too crazy, you know what I mean? And again, I just need a little bit more flair if I just want to cover him up. You know, I can just hit him like that, Blam. If I want to go behind the tongue, pause, you know, there you go. But yes, I feel like you want it right behind the knot on the lace, okay? And Blam, there you go. Yuto SBs, bruh. Not bad. Hey, listen, success. Like I told y'all, listen, a dub is a dub. A retail SB dub, I'll take those all day. Let's get back to the crib because I gotta show y'all something else I've been working on. I told y'all I was working on something before, and as y'all can see, listen, welcome. I'm here in my garage with Cairo's Lamborghini, and what I've been working on is cleaning out the garage, which also counts for some of the shoes I got in here. My new rule for 2025, new year, new me, not so new year, new me, is whatever shoes I get, for every pair I get in, I at least gotta let one go. And I really need to let two go for every one, but listen, steps, okay, steps. And how about we do this? If you can guess how many shoes is in the garage right now, I don't know, I'll send you something for free. I don't know what it is yet, might be something from Sample, but listen, comment a number down below. I'm gonna tell y'all for reference, I think from here to about here, so just that rack with these right here, count the ones up top, I think that's 100 pairs of shoes. So good luck. And there are some shoes that are off camera, so again, good luck. Now I've been trying to grab stuff and I put everything I'm gonna sell on this table, and I ain't gonna lie, looking around the collection, I definitely need to do a new sneaker collection video. I've been looking around and there's some shoes that I forgot I had. How about this first one? Listen, look at the box, look at the size tag. Some of y'all don't even recognize that size tag, and this right here is a pair of 2012 Bread 11s. Now you might say, bull, why would you sell your breads, bro? Why sell the breads? Here's why. Here's another pair fresh. I think these are either dead stock or I put them on for a review. Haven't even worn these yet, and I still got a 2012 pair. Listen, these gotta go. I mean, going through these stacks, I can just pull out random old stuff that I still have. I mean, I know what these are. Lance Mountains, still got these. Now, these, I guess the hoarder in me and the jets flying above. Hold on, we gotta wait for the jets. The hoarder inside is telling me no, but my garage is telling me yes, okay? How about this, another old box. These are from 2005 or 2006, bruh. I'm pretty sure this is the Chili Red 95. I ain't even gonna tell y'all the name of these, but somebody in the comments will know. What are these right here, all right? What are these right here? I forgot to add these to the table. Bamboo, okay, acronym Prestos, OG acronym Prestos, no box, but those are getting added to the table because I still got my vault joints. Next up, we got a 3-pack. All right, first up, Blam. Second up, Blam, Tech SP. Last but definitely not least, number 3. I forget the name of this one. These right here might just hit some of y'all with the brain blast, all right? But, okay, what have I actually decided to let go of? Now, this first one, I'm letting these go. I had 3 pairs. I'm reducing it down to 1, but the Sakai waffles. The LD waffle, the white and gray, the OGs, these will be hitting the bodega. Up next, we got a Y3 box. I'm pretty sure these are the Y3 Kawas, and I think I bought these in either New York or I bought them in LA. Really didn't wear them. I wore these joints one time, and this was a very expensive shoe, but some Y3 is gonna hit the site too. We already talked about these, you know, Bread 11s. These slick, I think I just put these on the table. Oh yeah, an extra pair, 11.5 Blue Games. I think those are already up on the bodega too, but yeah, 11.5 Blue Games. These right here might be a little $1, still a Rooney for the whatnot gang, okay? But Blam, UNC 4s, okay? One of these was like clean and one wasn't clean. So one is a little bit lighter blue than the other one, but yes, UNC 4s. More than likely, this might be a, you know, a little $1 banger, okay? Y'all remember this right here? Bro, this is one of those things that I literally forgot that I had. Supreme Cash Cannon. And yeah, before you ask, yes, listen, it works. Listen, another one, Gold Jordan Jumpman. Y'all see that out on the side? We got a pair of OVO 10s. And do I still got the receipt? Yes, these come with the foot action receipt of purchase, okay? Another one, Jordan 1 box. These are Bread 1s. These are actually up on the site right now. And these also, listen, receipt check, come with the OG receipt. Now these right here, I got them on the sale table, but more than likely, I probably won't sell them. As y'all can see, the Billy Hoyle Command Forces. Yes, I still have these joints. I'm afraid to let these joints go right here because I have no idea when the next time that Nike's gonna bring these back. Quick Saucony box, we got the Kush Whacker. I think the Sneaker Freaker and Saucony collab. I forgot what year these came out in. We got the Yeezy, my bad, the Yeezy 700 box with the Inertia 700s. Blam, gotta let these go. Some Lakers LeBrons right here. Hold up, we got another Brain Blast, okay? Yeah, size 12 pair of gloves. The white, the poison green gloves, okay? Another all white Nike right here. This is probably gonna be another $1 little oop for the Whatnot gang, okay? And then of course, coming out of the all over orange box, yeah, I'm gonna let go of my sale Fear of God as well. I still got my OG Fear of God, which is actually right down there. Definitely one of my favorite colorways of the Fear of God ones for sure. So yeah, in 2025, the best problem to have, I have too many shoes and I need to let go of some. So I'm gonna be letting these go on Whatnot or Bulls Bodega. A lot of them are gonna go up on Bulls Bodega. Link to that's down below. And yo, follow me on IG at BulletRC because I post it on my story whenever this stuff goes live. So by Sunday, I should have all these pairs up and more. But again, I post on the IG, so yeah, this is a work in progress. And I guess at the end of this year too, we need to update a sneaker collection and I'm trying to get it down, bro. The last time we did a sneaker collection, I had 360 or 370 pairs. And if we could end all 2025 under 200, good. Again, I ain't really complaining. It's a good problem to have, but I need to work it down a bit. Now, let's get to these pickups, bro, because I've been waiting to unbox these joints. And we are back in the stew. Listen, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like on this vid, sub up if you haven't already, and finesse the bell as well. Y'all can see, we got a couple boxes of bag here, and we got a major delayed W, in addition to all these pickups in the early heat. First things first, I'm gonna start with this one because y'all already seen it, but we didn't see it in the stew. Purple Nike SB box, green wood paper on the inside, and yes, that was my pair of Yuto SB Dunks. Y'all see the color looks a lot nicer under the studio lights. Definitely a good pair to add to the stacks, all right? Next box. Now, not gonna lie to y'all, I did cheat on this one right here. And in addition to that early heat, I might actually give y'all the option to either pick the early heat or pick a pair of these joints right here. Sailing Gray Flight on the top. Y'all see the name on that. Okay, bull. Y'all see the size 12. And this was one I definitely was looking for. And the good thing is the price ain't too crazy. Not too bad. Just depending on what size you wear. And these do come individually wrapped in here. But yes, the Nike SB navy and gum pair of Jordan 4s. I mean, y'all already knew. Y'all knew I definitely had to have these. I still got my green pair. And since I did give away a green pair when those dropped, I guess we'll add these into the giveaway pool too. So use that link down below, get that $15 off your first cop, and you can win a pair of these joints or the early heat for free. But yeah, perfect spring, summer sneaker, kind of all around sneaker as long as it ain't snowing. These joints right here is definitely clean. Up next, listen, another box. Can we get the perfect cut right down the middle? Don't cut the box though, just down the middle, yes. Inside this box right here, another great spring, summer shoe, and another one that ain't gonna break the bank either, again, depending on your size. Now, mine is size 12, y'all see them. I actually hit on these on the original raffle. And if we flip down the paper, I mean, y'all know. And these definitely didn't come with a shortage of lace options either. We got the aged well JFG 992. I'm not gonna lie to you, I got these in a 12 and I probably should have gotten 11.5 because all the other 992s I have, I try to get 11.5. These joints right here might just be a little, you know, slick, a little big in the toe. So I might have to toss these on Bodega and then I can go back and get my 11.5, but I mean, materials, colorway, I mean, it's Joe Fresh, you know what I mean? It's JFG. You already know what it is. Now in this box right here, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I told the story on the live, but I had to fight the final boss to get these. This box right here was almost lost in the mail. I had to call and make a complaint. I was outside knocking on neighbors' doors trying to find these because these got delivered to the wrong house 2 times. And when my FedEx driver showed up to my door with these shoes the day after, because I had called and kind of complained, listen, I gotta do what I gotta do because I really wanted this shoe, Slight Bars. He ain't look too happy and he didn't really care to talk to me. Listen, bro, I thought you was trying to finesse, all right? And I actually hit these on the original raffle. Y'all should already know. Union, Jordan, and Slick. Might as well. I guess this might be another option for one of the Whatnot giveaway winners. Another shoe that came individually wrapped. We have the Union Jordan 1. And I already know some people go, yo, what's that? What's that? Listen, it's just a little fuzz, okay? Relax. Just a little fuzz on the shoe. Little lint on the shoe, okay? I need to hit it with the lint roller. And let me tell you, when I just peeled these out the box, I mean, bro, the smell, the glue, smells magnificent, bro. Let me tell you. A combination of the Shadow and the Chicago. Not gonna lie to y'all. the neutral gray with the Chicago. That original sample that came out looks better in my opinion, but these are still good. Leather on these is definitely nice and tumbled. And this will be number 2. This is my second Union Jordan 1 collab to hit the stew. You can't complain about that retail dub, okay? Another good spring summer vibe right here. Now this box right here is a special one, and this was a delayed W from someone who has been watching me for a very long time, a name that I'm very familiar with. Even in the comments, you might see him as Naruto Shadow Clone, but I know him as, I don't know if he wants me to say his name, so I'll just say D, okay? So salutes to him. I did a live cop for this shoe and I missed it, and I was watching the prices on it. Since then, the prices have come down, which is good, but I just was like, yo, I missed out on these. I was doing a live, he actually messaged me like, yo, I might have something for you. And here they are. This was a retail dub. These shoes used to be my screensaver on my ATC computer, okay? I told y'all we had a real delayed W today, and yes, here they are. Galaxy Foamposites in the flesh, in the stew. Listen, foam call, foam home, all that. Yes, I might be a bit biased, but for my top 10 of 2025 or top 15, whatever I do, these right here are more than likely gonna be on the list because this is a mythical pair of foams right here. I did miss out on them at first, but hey, major delay W, and salutes to D. I really appreciate you, dog. And I'm sure you will see this video when it drops, so salutes to you. And more than likely, I'm gonna have to swap some out on the wall for these. These gotta go up on the wall for sure. I guess it must be that time, all right? Inside of this box right here, we got the summer banger, okay? A classic, one of my top 5 Jordans of all time. It might be top 3. Maybe number 2. And I'm gonna say it again while I'm taking them out the box. Make sure y'all use that link in the description, in the pinned comment, because I will be giving these joints away. And if you don't want these, you can have SB4s or some Union 1s. And if you use that link, you get 15 off your first cop on whatnot. But y'all know where I be at. Y'all see the top of the box, Jordan Flight Box. Now these are actually dropping next month. I did have to grab them in an 11. Yes, I do need a 12, but we're gonna have to make it work. Sticker on the top, but we don't need those. Let me just sit this back here, because I mean, it's just greatness inside this box. If we peel open the paper, yes. I would say they finally brought them back, but they brought them back in 2016, so it's not really a finally, but I guess 9 years ago. And with the updated shape, I mean, yo, what really needs to be said? This is another shoe that's up on my wall, my 99 pair up there. And trust me, I'm gonna give y'all that close-up look on these because the review is on the way, but yo, this is some more greatness. Classic Jordan 4, okay? One of the best Jordan 4s ever. I don't care what you say. The Cement Air Jordan 4. And let me just, yes, sir. Honestly, don't smell as good as a Union, but they smell good. Now, I would ask y'all if y'all gonna be copping these, but I feel like most of y'all are, just like me. And currently there's 3 pairs of these. And I didn't even mention before, I'm gonna actually give away probably 2 pairs of these because I got 2 shows this weekend on Whatnot. Yes, you heard that right. Back-to-back Cement 4s for free. I'm telling y'all. And let me just remind y'all again, I'm going live Friday and either Saturday or Sunday. So you're gonna have 2 different times to get these. And we're giving away some pairs of Bread 11 lows on Friday as well with Tony. So it's Tony and me on Friday. And then Saturday or Sunday, I'm gonna do a solo live by myself. And again, you probably have a choice between these if you want them, or Unions or SB4s. It's wherever you want. Winner can choose this time. But let me just zoom in the camera real quick. I went ahead and pulled the hang tag out on these joints. And I mean, it's the Cement 4. And I ain't gonna lie, the leather, it looks nice. It's nice and smooth. The feel, it do feel stiff. I ain't gonna lie to you. This leather is it's feeling stiff. It might be some of that break-in leather. I am no material or leather expert. But what I will tell you is that these joints is clean, even down to the speckling on the Nike Air on the back. Y'all can see the inside, more of the leather, all white leather, almost blasting out on the camera. The red Jordan flight tag, and of course the classic outside. You got that cement print right there on the midsole, all over the shoe, and then of course on the outsole. More of that red, white, black, and gray. Really, when you talk about classic J's, the Cement 4 has always gotta be in the conversation, always. Again, make sure y'all use those links, whether it's copying something off a sample, getting in on Whatnot for these giveaways. We got a lot of stuff on the way for you. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like on this vid, sub if you haven't already, and finesse the bell. Listen, y'all guys can follow me here, there, OG outro. Y'all can follow me here, there, blah, blah, of course, Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. The Cement 4s have landed in the stew. The review will be coming soon, and giveaways as well. That is it for right now though. Listen, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Much love, all right? Peace.
Gotta stay